Hiring the right Python developer can be a game changer for your project. However, there are several common mistakes that employers often make during the hiring process. In this video, we'll explore the key errors to avoid to ensure you find the best Python developer for your needs. Python developers are experts who use Python to create websites and applications. They are key players in any dedicated software development team. Their job involves designing, coding, delivering, and maintaining websites or applications using Python. With over 125,249 live Python websites, their role is crucial in today's tech landscape. Python developers have a range of responsibilities beyond writing efficient and clean code. They build back-end components, create engaging applications, ensure quick load speeds, and maintain adequate security. They also debug and test software using tools like PyUnit and PyTest. Collaboration with team members and clients is essential to produce user-friendly applications that meet business goals. When hiring Python developers, consider their problem-solving abilities, career goals, and the scope of your project. Verify their skill set and ensure they have the necessary competencies to meet your challenges. Understanding the technology stack and knowing what specific skills you require will save you significant trouble and heartache. An effective Python developer must possess various technical skills, including knowledge of Python data types, structures, and frameworks like Django and Flask. They should also have soft skills such as communication, time management, and problem-solving abilities. Additional skills like React, cloud computing, and AWS can be valuable assets to your company. To find the right Python developer, create a detailed job description and look for candidates with a solid portfolio. Conduct a thorough vetting process to assess their professional conduct, work ethic, and team working capabilities. Consider the cultural fit and ensure your budget aligns with the level of expertise you require. Avoid passive recruiting. Active recruitment with a dedicated team is more effective. Thoroughly test the technical skills of candidates and do not neglect soft skills. Avoid choosing the lowest paid worker expecting high quality. Invest in talent. Ask for samples of previous work and conduct practical tasks to assess their capabilities. These steps will help you avoid common hiring pitfalls. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can streamline your hiring process and find the best Python developer for your project. Remember to consider both technical and soft skills, understand the scope of your project, and conduct thorough vetting. With the right approach, you'll build a strong development team that drives your business forward.